Hi guys, welcome back. I know I'm gonna be wearing the same shirt for a few videos because I received all of my subscriptions on the same day, and I wanted to get these out there because we are towards the later part of the month. And anyways, in my last video I mentioned I've been making my own t-shirts. Basically it's just a iron-on patch with a like $3 Walmart t-shirt. I think it's very creative and fun to do because I don't like paying $40 for a Hello Kitty t-shirt and I only sort of like it. So this way I'm able to pick the patch I want, the material that I want, and it's still under, you know, maybe $15. So anyway, good craft idea if you're interested. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. It will be the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the $12 a month subscription. It is a monthly subscription, and you do get you get mostly deluxe sized items. However, you may get a full size item here and there, and it is a total of 5 items. I think this bag is a really good value for the $12, even though they're deluxe size. You always get a bag with it, whatever the theme is, and this month is the Valentine's theme, and who doesn't love Valentine's themed anything? So let's go ahead and get started. So, like I said, you always get a super cute bag, and this one's a little bit smushed, but look how adorable. It's a little Valentine envelope sealed with a kiss. You got your little postage. It's gold foiled or plated or whatever, and then you got these cute little lips in the back and a little button. Isn't that just so cute? And here's all of the stuff. So then you do also get a card. I don't know if, yes, so in the card we do get the pricing of the items. However, they don't usually give us the deluxe sized price. They give us the full size price. So we'll do our best to figure out the price. I usually at the end will put it somewhere on the screen and let you know, my calculations of what that deluxe size item is at or about. It's just a guesstimation, but we do a pretty good job, and it is always a good value for sure. And of course the theme is Send Love, along with that Valentine theme. And let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I see in here looks like it is a lipstick. And what is this one? Okay, this is the Carmela Cosmetics Silk Matte Lipstick in the color Bitten. So it comes in this cute little packaging. It is sealed, so and just this sleek black look to it. Super cute. I like that. And this is right up my alley, guys. Oh, beautiful color. Oh yeah, I can't wait to use this. Beautiful color. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna use this one for sure. And I prefer lipstick bullets over lippies or liquid lipstick, so this is perfect for me. This is obviously a full size. Oh no, this is not. This is a deluxe sample. The full version is $24, so I guess we can maybe, so 4 grams. Yeah, so this is 3.8 grams, so it's really only 0.2 grams smaller than the total 4 grams. So I guess we can go ahead and call this a total of $24. I'm okay with that. 0.2 grams, I'm not gonna make a huge fuss about that. $24. Holla if you hear me. Just kidding, I don't even talk like that, but I felt like saying that. Next item in here was my choice item. It's the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This is my first time using this product. I've heard a lot of great things. Everybody raves and rants about it. Not rants, but raves about how great it is. So what I'm using currently is this Milk Makeup brow gel. And I love this, but I'm almost out. So I thought that since I had an opportunity to try this, that I would, since I was almost out. This is super adorable. Look at this little vial. I don't know. It's super cute though. Has this little cool lid. Let's go ahead and check out. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a brow setter, not a gel. Okay, my bad. So it's just a clear gel formula. That's all right. I'm willing to try that as well. Here's the bristles on the wand in case you haven't seen it. And again, it's just that clear liquid. I did set that here. Let's go ahead and see the consistency. Yeah. A little sticky, so I'm sure it's gonna work just fine because I go in and darken them just to shape them and then just set it with this, so perfectly fine. I'm good with that. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $24, and then full size, okay, so this is a 3.5 milliliters or mLs, and the full size is 7. So I'll figure out pricing at the end. All right, so off to a great start. I'm 2 for 2 with this bag. I'm super happy with it. What is this? All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. So this is probably a deluxe size sample of cream. I love night creams. Going to give this a try. It is sealed, but I use all of my stuff because these deluxe size samples usually only run me about a week or so, so I'm okay with opening these right away. I try to use them all up as soon as I can, or with it however many days in a row. So hopefully we can open this little guy. And I just kind of want to see the consistency here. So it looks like your normal cream, very creamy. So very hydrating. Obviously it's just that clear cream, so you can't see anything. Does feel nourishing and moist. So oh, that has a good scent to it. Yeah, that has a very refreshing scent. This is the REP, Nutrinature Ultra All Night Moisturizing, All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. When your skin's feeling extra thirsty, this super hydrating overnight mask will give you a dewy, bouncy, quenched complexion in the morning. I do like that. It says, tip, before bed, dot onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, and massage into the skin. Chin, skin. Okay, I thought I said that wrong. And this is the deluxe sample. Full size is 100 milliliters at $32. And what is the mLs on this guy? 15. So we'll figure out pricing in the end. So again, nice little face product or skincare product there. What is this? I don't even remember everything that I picked. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm so happy. So this is the Kokie Professional Retractable Liquid Eyeliner. Retractable liner, huh? So let's see if my camera will pick that up. There's that guy. Oh, they're not kidding about retractable. Oh, that's cool. Very awesome. Look at that. So it extends, so it's travel size. That's awesome. That's cool. It says it's waterproof. Let's go ahead and put it on the skin. We'll see if it bleeds. Oh, that's a nice fine line. Oh yeah, I was in need of a new one because the one I'm using a Luminesca. I'm using this Luminesca one currently. Come on, dude. And I just find that it dries out before I can finish putting it on my eye. So anyway, where was I? So there is that fine line there. Come on. Look at that. Didn't bleed or anything. So I am so in love with this. Okay, what is this? This is the full size and it's only $6. So that's not bad. I love that it's affordable. All right, last item is this Love You First Stunning Eyeshadow Duo. Look at how adorable this is. Very, very cute. Also travel size. Oh, these are gorgeous colors. Oh, my bad, friends. My bad. Look at how pretty these purple pink shades are. I don't know, they're kind of mauve-y, aren't they? All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna swatch them both. Oh yeah, they're nice and buttery for that shimmer. Oh, this will be fun to play with. I can't wait. Oh yeah. These sort of remind me of the Juvia's place. Juvia's place. In Spanish, it's Juvia, or like Juvia is how I would say it. So that's why I said it that way. Anyway, look at that. Beautiful colors. Oh man, I cannot wait. And it matches all of these things. Look at how cool all of these things match together. Like, this was a really good bag, you guys. I'm not even gonna say like well, I am gonna say what did you think, but what I think, like, this was a good bag. Everything, like I said, everything all went together. They all matched. Like, I wish that more subscription boxes would do this in this manner. Like, that was amazing. Amazing. And also it comes with a little mini mirror. This one is called Lilac and Blackberry. So, yes, this was, okay, this was by far, like, I say that this is my favorite pricing subscription just because of the value that you get for the price. But this combination was just perfect and spot on because all of the things went together. So anyway, let's do the recap. Of course, we always get our cute little bags. So we got the bag. We've got the eyeshadow duo. We have the brow Benefit Brow Setter, the overnight face cream, the lipstick, and the liner. So 5 deluxe size items. I will put the total somewhere on the screen. Please let me know what you thought. Like, was your bag this good? I'm hoping and keeping my fingers crossed all of your bags were this great, because I would be really sad if you guys didn't get to experience the same joy that I'm experiencing right now. Like, wow. Like I said, just everything went together so freaking well. So anyway, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you very shortly in my next video with the same shirt on. We will see you soon. Bye.